Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be solving another simultaneous equation using the substitution method. So let's begin. The question I am doing is question number 8 from this book right here, exercise 2.1. The Cambridge IGCSE and O-level additional maths course book. So let's begin. Yes. The question I have here today is question number 8, as stated. X minus y is equal to 2 and 2x square minus 3y square is equal to 15. Now, I will be converting this, shifting the y to the other side, creating the equation of x is equal to 2 plus y. When I put this into the value of x in the other equation, we will get 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus y square minus 3y square is equal to 15. We will be opening this bracket right here using the formula of a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. 2 into 2 square is 4 plus 2ab, which is 4y plus y square minus 3y square minus 15 is equal to 0. I have shifted this y over to this side of the equation by putting a minus. So if you multiply this 2 right here with the equation, we get 8 plus 8y plus 2y square minus 3y square minus 15 is equal to 0. We will be solving this in this, and we will be summing up these two and these two. Which will be minus y square plus 8y minus 7. Let me correct this into minus 8y plus 8y minus 7 is equal to 0. So I'm going to remove the minus, I'm going to take minus 1 common and shift it to the other side, which is 0 divided by minus 1, which is 0. Y squared minus 8y plus 7 is equal to 0. I am going to middle term breaking this. So I get the answer of 7 minus y, because minus 7 minus y is minus 8 and minus 7 into minus y is plus 7. Y squared minus 7y minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Y minus 7, if we take y common of this, and minus 1 y minus 7 is equal to 0. Y minus 1 y minus 7 is equal to 0. I will split them into 2, which will be y minus 1 is equal to 0 and y minus 7 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 7, y is equal to 1. Now the original equation that we had, 2 is equal to x is equal to 2 plus y. So x is equal to 2 plus 1, which is x equal to 3. So one of the answer we have is 3 comma 1. The x and the y. x is equal to 2 plus y, x is equal to 2 plus 7, x is equal to 9. 9 comma 7. Hope you guys found this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with some friends if they're having a tough time in solving these questions too. And I'll see you guys in the next video, inshallah.